Chromic acid is an inorganic compound with the formula H₂CrO. It's known for its strong oxidizing properties.
This compound is typically used in cleaning laboratory glassware and as a wood preservative. Chromic acid is highly corrosive and can cause severe burns. It's important to handle it with care.
Although effective for cleaning, chromic acid can be hazardous to the environment if not disposed of properly.
The molecular structure of chromic acid consists of chromium atom bonded with 2 hydroxyl groups and 2 oxygen atoms.
Safety measures include wearing gloves, goggles, and using fume hoods when working with chromic acid.
Alternative, less harmful methods are being researched to replace chromic acid in industrial applications.